We are the curious ones, makers, creators, and builders, drawn to what's possible, not just what's proven. We don't chase perfection, we follow where inspiration takes us. We trade certainty for momentum, pushing the limits, seeing what takes, what breaks, and what we learn along the way. We forge forward with intention, led by curiosity and shaped by experience. What we carry with us reflects how we move, with confidence and a willingness to meet the challenges ahead. We don't fear the fall. We learn from it. Every scar is a lesson, a reminder of how far we've come. Some follow paths. We carve them. With vision, with intent, with our own hands. We are built different.